In this short video, I will show you how to stop your Mac from sleeping, or how to always keep your Mac screen on. If you're tired of your Mac screen turning off automatically after a period of inactivity, follow these simple steps. This guide applies to MacBook, MacBook Pro, and iMac. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Settings from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, click on System Settings at the bottom of your computer. You will land on the same page. In the System Settings window, scroll down until you find the lock screen option. Find Start Screensaver when inactive, and click on the drop-down next to it. Select Never. Find Turn Display Off on Battery when inactive, and click on the drop-down next to it. Choose Never. Find Turn Display Off on Power Adapter when inactive, and click on the drop-down next to it. Select Never. By following these steps, you can easily prevent your Mac screen from turning off automatically. This adjustment is especially useful during presentations, downloads, or when you want to keep an eye on ongoing tasks without interruption.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.